Hey there, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make an Amapiano type beats in FL Studio. If you're new, you know what to do, hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So I'm going to start by picking out some chords from the Afrobeat chart Buster MIDI chord pack, which you can get with the link in the description below. It has 45 great Afrobeat MIDI chords. That sounds really good. So we're going to use one of them and then let's see how that goes. Let's try another one. Okay, I think I like this one. Let's create a new pattern for our drums. Create a simple Amapiano drum pattern. Spread it across. And now we're going to create a layer for our chords. Copy this, paste it. Render and replace. And then we'll drop the octave down. All right, so now we're going to add an electric guitar to add some flavor to our Amapiano beats. And when using electric guitars, right, sometimes the tone of the amps you use can have a different feel on the guitar. So you need if you have a plugin like this that allows you play with different amps, try different amps for the same sound preset, and you may prefer the texture that it gives you over the default sounding preset. All right. Let's record something. All right, render and replace. Try to find something catchy for our counter melody for the guitars. All right. Of course, we change the tone of the amp again. Render and replace. Now we're going to add a piano to give it some bounce as well to the chords. Let's record that. Of course, render and replace. And I'm going to use an EQ to soften the piano a bit. It sounds too hard and too vibrant. So we want it to sound soft. So we're going to use an EQ to take out some of the high end. And of course, I like to overcompress my piano as well. Let's reduce the amount of the chorus effects. Another thing again I like to do while I'm making beats, when I've gone far or made a couple of melodies and a decent drum track, I like to always listen to all the sounds I've put together to see if they all still fit together. I take out some sounds, and if I feel like the beats can still go on without that sound, then it wasn't really meant to be there in the first place, so I take it out. Let's record that. All right. Let's change the tone a bit. I think I like this sound. Let's see. Let's record that.
Oh, my love, go and say what you don't really mean. Oh, 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 oh,
And now we're going to add an EQ and a few effects just to make our vocal sample fit more into the beat. Sometimes when you use samples or loops and you already have an existing beat, you may want to tweak the sample by using simple effects to make it fit into your beat. Like it could be EQ, it could be reverb to give it more ambience, all right? And it could be just you chopping it up so it doesn't, stay too long in the beat as well. Let's look for a different sound now. Let's record that. So now I want to create, because I'm not really familiar with the notes completely, right? That much. I know that make up the chords. Okay, so I'm going to create multiple layers of the chords so I can use the scale to make my log drums. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. So for my log drums, I'm going to start with really simple notes first, and I'm going to create some log drum rows and also layer it with a sub bars, okay, to give it that pump in the low end. Another trick I like to do is I like to make my log drum first on the high note so I can really hear if the notes are accurate, and if it fits the beat, then I take it down to a lower octave. Let's see how the beat sounds. All right, now I've already added some drum rolls, some fillers. All right, so just like I just polish the beats up. So now let's see how it all sounds when it comes together. So if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave me with a thumbs up so other people that need helpful videos like this can easily find right here on YouTube. And you can also hit the subscribe button down below to keep up with more fresh tutorials from me. I remain so classy. See you soon. Cheers.